1 in 4 Americans over 65 fall every year. Falls are the leading cause of injury and injury-related death in seniors. And here's the part that most people don't understand. Most of those falls are not caused by weakness. They are not caused by getting old. They are caused by 5 specific fixable things that most seniors and most doctors never talk about. I'm Dr. Andrew Fetterman with the Senior Vitality Project, and today I'm going to walk you through all 5. What they are, why they destroy your balance, and exactly what you can do about each one. Starting with the one that surprises people most. Number 1, your blood pressure medication. This is the one nobody tells you. If you take medication for high blood pressure, and tens of millions of seniors do, probably like yourself, there is a side effect that can put you on the floor. It's called orthostatic hypotension. Here's what happens. You're sitting, you stand up. Your blood pressure drops suddenly because your medication is doing its job. Your brain doesn't get enough blood flow for a second or two. You feel dizzy. You grab for something, or you don't. This is not your imagination. This is a documented, measurable side effect of many blood pressure medications, including beta blockers, calcium channel blockers, and alpha blockers. I treated a 72-year-old man who had fallen twice in 6 months. His family was terrified he had a balance disorder. We reviewed his medications. His blood pressure medication had been increased 3 months before the first fall. We adjusted the timing and dosage in coordination with his cardiologist. He has not fallen since. The fix: do not stand up so fast. When you get out of bed or out of a chair, sit on the edge for a full 10 seconds first. Let your blood pressure stabilize, then stand. Also, tell your doctor about dizziness when standing. Specifically use the words orthostatic hypotension. That phrase communicates to your doctor exactly what is happening. They may be able to adjust your medication timing. Write that down. Number 2, inner ear crystals. If you've ever rolled over in bed and the room starts spinning, or stood up and suddenly felt like the floor was tilting, you may have a condition called BPPV, benign paroxysmal positional vertigo. Inside your inner ear, you have tiny calcium crystals called otoliths. They sit in a specific location and help your brain sense gravity. When those crystals shift out of place, which happens more easily after 60, they land in your balance canals. Every time you move your head, those crystals send the wrong signal to your brain. Your brain thinks you're spinning when you're standing still. That's vertigo, and it is a major cause of falls. The good news is that this is one of the most treatable balance problems there is. The fix: ask your doctor or a physical therapist about the Epley maneuver, chiropractors as well. It is a specific series of head positions that guides the crystals back to where they belong. It takes about 5 minutes. Most people feel a significant difference within 24 hours. If you've been living with unexplained dizziness, specifically dizziness that happens when you change your head position, this is the fix you didn't know you needed. Number 3, ankle and calf weakness. Your balance system works in 3 layers: your eyes, your inner ear, and your feet. The nerves in your ankles and the bottom of your feet are constantly sending signals to your brain. They say, here's where you are, here's what the ground feels like, here's which way is up. When your ankles get weak from sitting too much, from inactivity, from nerve damage, those signals become unreliable. Your brain is flying partially blind, and your balance suffers. After 60, most people lose up to 15% of calf muscle strength per decade without targeted exercise. Your calves are not just for walking. They are the pump that keeps blood moving up from your feet. Weak calves mean poor circulation to your feet. Poor circulation means weaker nerve signals. Weaker nerve signals means worse balance. The fix: ankle pumps every day. Sit in a chair, lift your toes towards the ceiling, hold, then press them down. Repeat 20 times. This exercise directly strengthens nerve muscle connection in your ankles. It keeps those balance signals sharp. 3 minutes in the morning. Your brain needs those signals to keep you upright. Number 4, poor sleep. This one surprises people because it doesn't feel like a balance problem, but it is. Your cerebellum, the part of your brain that controls balance and coordination, needs sleep to function properly. Even one night of less than 6 hours of sleep measurably reduces your reaction time and balance coordination. After 60, sleep quality often declines. You wake up more often. You sleep more lightly. This is not just tiredness. This is your balance system running on an empty tank. Research shows that seniors who sleep less than 6 hours per night are twice as likely to fall compared to those who sleep 7 to 8 hours. The fix: 2 changes you can make at night. First, set a consistent wake time and stick to it every day, even weekends. Your brain's balance system responds to routine. Second, if you wake up multiple times a night, check your magnesium level. Magnesium glycinate, 200 to 400 milligrams taken 1 hour before bed is one of the most research-supported tools for improving sleep quality in seniors. Ask your doctor if it's right for you. Write that down. Number 5, chronic dehydration. Here's something most people don't know. As you age, your sense of thirst decreases. Your body's signal to say, drink water, becomes quieter. So many seniors are chronically mildly dehydrated without ever feeling thirsty. What does dehydration do to your balance? 2 things. First, it reduces your blood volume. Less blood volume means your heart has to work harder to get blood to your brain when you stand. That same dizziness, that same fall risk. Second, it affects the fluid balance inside your inner ear. Your inner ear needs proper fluid to maintain accurate balance signals. When you're dehydrated, those signals become distorted. The fix: start your morning with a full glass of water before anything else, before coffee, before breakfast, before your medication. Set an alarm on your phone for every 2 hours that says, drink water. Not because you're thirsty, because your thirst signal can no longer be trusted. 6 to 8 cups of water per day, more if it's hot or if you've been active. This is one of the lowest cost, highest impact changes you can make for your balance. Let's put it together. 5 things quietly destroying your balance right now. 1, blood pressure medication causes orthostatic hypotension. 2, inner ear crystals causing positional vertigo. 3, weak ankles sending poor balance signals to your brain. 4, poor sleep dimming your coordination for your cerebellum. 5, dehydration disrupting blood flow and your inner ear fluid. Every single one of these is fixable. If you're dealing with nerve damage that makes balance harder, tingling, numbness, weak feet, that's a different and deeper problem. Visit the Nerve Relief Project, link in the description. That channel is built specifically for people living with neuropathy. We go deep on exactly this. In the next video, I'm going to be covering something that could cost you thousands of dollars right now. 7 Medicare mistakes that seniors don't know they're making, and one of them happens at the deadline most people miss entirely. Subscribe, leave a comment below. Which of these 5s was the most surprising to you? I'll see you in the next one.